Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'd like to share with you something that I've created. It's an herbal catalog. It's inspired by one I made for my cousin, but it's a little bit different. It starts with being wrapped with a closure that's a simple tie, and on the front cover it has a cute little digital image that I had printed out onto cardstock, and this actually is a pocket right here, so you can put anything in there all the way down to there. And then when we open it up, what we have is it's a trifold, and this side also is a pocket, and it has a piece of paper in here which is lovely for journaling on, drawing on, or doing anything you want with. And it's got herbs on it, so it's very pretty. So there's a side pocket there. On this side, what we have is actually a little notebook. It comes out, it's clipped in, as you can see, with these bull clips, and it comes out. It's just simply a little notebook of, I think, maybe 15 or 20 or so pages, and I backed it onto, it's really hard cardstock, so it's a really nice solid, you could take it out, you can write on it. It's a nice solid notebook. So that lives in there. So here's the front cover of the catalog, and what we have here is a catalog full of pockets. So like here, this first page, this is a pocket, and we have a whole set full of seed packets. So there's one pocket. Second pocket has some labels in here. These ones are marked, and there's several in here of these really pretty, gorgeous labels. If this is one that you purchase, and here we have another envelope or pouch with more labels. These ones are blank. You can put anything you want on these. What else do we have? Each one, again, is a pocket. These are just really pretty cards with different herbs, and we have another one. It has even more labels. It just keeps going, doesn't it? It just doesn't end, it seems like. So here, this one's empty, so we're at the middle, which is another thing, is this is a piece of an elastic, so this whole entire inside can come right out if you want it to. See, it comes out if you just slip it out. Also, you could add more pages to it if you wanted to, or you could rearrange the way that they're assembled. So they're movable, but yet they're also in there really well. If you don't want to move them, you don't have to. Here's another one with some goodies inside. So here's some really pretty seed packets. Thyme. This one's not got anything in it right now. Wild fennel. Ooh, what do we have in here? Oh, we have a sweet journaling card with mushrooms on the back, and a little fairy and a fawn. And this is another journaling card with some butterflies on it. Journaling pleasure. Here we got some blank ones. There are pockets to put things in. And then the last one is also a pocket. So that's a pocket. We also have this here as a pocket. And then, as we know, this goes back in here like so. So it works best, I've found, with this notebook, that when you put it back in here, put it a little bit down so that down here you have room for your little one, like so. And we could put these down here like so they're nice and flat. Then we've got, this is the middle cover, and it goes back together like so. This, there's the back. And anyway, there's that. And this is the Curious Herbal. And I hope that you enjoyed it because I really enjoyed making it. Oh, I also wanted to add the construction of this. I really should have said this earlier. This is kind of important because it's not just the features that you see, but in the other one that I did before, I had folded these and they were just flat. But these, I had made them, I folded them in a gusseted form, which means that I scored it here and here so that it laid like a book. But you can't really tell that right now because I noticed that I would be, or somebody would be folding this often, open, close, open, close, open, close. So this really needed to be reinforced. So that's what exactly I did. I spent quite a bit of effort and time. I used some of the same cloth as this, which actually came from an old tie back from some curtains or drapes. And I sewed that along with some piece of lace all the way through the inside and the outside so that you can see it is really, really, really stable. So yeah, this thing will last you a long time and hope you enjoy it. Just let me know if you're interested and we'll send it out your way. All right, well, thank you and have a great day. Bye.